Welcome to Mount Cuba Center, the former home of Pamela and Lamont DuPont Copeland. The Copelands moved to Delaware in the 1930s and built their house near the historic village of Mount Cuba. In the decades that followed, they transformed what was fallow farmland into ecologically thriving native plant gardens. Stunning in every season, visit often to witness the ever-changing beauty of our formal and naturalistic gardens and scenic trails. From colorful carpets of spring ephemerals to expansive meadows bursting with wildflowers, there's always something blooming at Mount Cuba. Explore the formal gardens surrounding the Copelands' historic home. Be inspired by the many ways that native plants can be used in a traditional home landscape. Visit the Trial Garden and learn about Mount Cuba's research to identify the best performing native plants for our region. Wander into our naturalistic gardens, which imitate the look and feel of natural landscapes. In spring, be sure to see our nationally accredited collection in the Trillium Garden. In late summer to fall, the Meadow Garden hums with life as pollinators feast on the nectar of wildflowers. Picturesque beauty awaits you at the ponds, one of Mount Cuba's most iconic vistas and home to a variety of wildlife. Or step beyond our manicured gardens and hike the scenic trails winding through our natural lands.